Hey everybody, welcome. Okay, had a little epiphany here while I'm sitting here thinking what to do next, and I figure, why not just show everybody what I'm doing from scratch. So here's what I'm going to do. I am thinking, I'm thinking about something. Well, the vertices that we send in, right? We're not, like, with this particular example and the shader, right? Position, color, and size. The color doesn't have anything to do with the color that we send in, and neither does the position. In fact, the only thing we use that we send in is size, and they're all the same. So I'm thinking, just as an optimization, and it means nothing right now because we're not doing anything but experimenting, let's just cut this down. We're only going to send in the size. So we're just going to go like this. Going to make everything 8. Each one's going to be just 1. Okay. Down here, size of vertices, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we're just going to comment out these vertex attributes. Okay. We're only going to include this final one, so it's going to be 1, size of 1. We're going to call it 0. Okay, geofloat false. Size is going to be 1, and the offset is going to be 0. 0. I'm just going to take this out. Oops. I deleted the 0 when in fact we want the 0. Okay, so enable vertex area behind it. Okay, so we're not sending in any position or color data. Okay, just sending in a size. Oops, that's got to be 0. Okay, down here, particles, size of vertices. Okay, num buffer sub data, and we're not actually doing this either because we're not changing anything. The only thing we're changing is the uniform. Okay, alright, so then up here in our vertex shader, what we want to do is change this to a float a size. There we go. Take those out. Particles 100, okay. Not sure what's going to happen. We're doing this live, folks, right in front of the cameras for everybody to see. And we broke it. Here's why. Undeclared identifier A position. Vector field selection out of range. In the vertex shader, I thought I took that out. A position? What? Oh. The Z right here. Well, we never use that. We're just going to go 0. Okay, can we be happy now, Mr. Compiler? Okay, see it? So it's working. It works the same. Bizarre. That's, I mean, no, that's cool. So I'm wondering, like, because if we go into here in A size, right, and we just go 8.0f, so do we even need this? Let's just go up here for a second and comment that out. Okay. Vertex area attribute. Do we even need this? Let's see. I don't know. I'm questioning so many things at the moment, and I should have an answer because I read so much, but I don't know. So I'm guessing. Shader program, all that. Bind vertex area. We're not going to bind a vertex area. We're just going to call this. Uh-oh. Where? Show me. Oh. Computer, you know what? You know what you can do with your delete vertex arrays and your delete buffer? Okay. No, it doesn't work. So you have to send something, is what it is. You have to send something. You have to bind a vertex array. So what if we go up here? Okay. You have to bind a vertex array in order to draw it, which seems counterproductive because if you're really not, like I'm going to send all this, but we're not using any of it, right? So let's just send it. Okay. So see, here's the thing too. Okay. So let's just say that we forget to do this here. We're just going to forget to do that. Bind buffer 0, array buffer. Okay, so we're going to do all that. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, so you don't even need to enable the vertex attribute array or vertex. So does it need, hold on. And it's dealing with 100 particles. So what if we only send it vertices? Like in this case, what? Particles is 100, and we're drawing 100. And down here, the draw call is for particles. Okay, so let's say, for the sake of argument, for the beat of sake. So let's go 50. Does that create an error? Initializing, what are you talking about? Buffer vertices of size 200 bytes will be overrun, 400 bytes will be written starting at offset. What in the world? How does it know that? Computer, how can you possibly know that? What in the world? Yabba dabba dabba da. Alright, so I guess it knows, apparently, what's going to happen. Okay. Alright, so, yeah. That fascinates me. So I wanted to share that. Just a little tidbit of information. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments below the video.